How to save PDF files in a gallery from WhatsApp to iPhone. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to save PDF files in a gallery from WhatsApp to iPhone. First, navigate to the WhatsApp app on your mobile phone. Then reach the chat from where you want to download the PDF. After that, tap on the document and it will get opened. Here, tap on the arrow icon and select Save to Files option. Now it will start downloading the PDF on your iPhone. Next, go to the Files app and open the downloaded documents in Docs. In this way, you can easily save PDF files in a gallery from WhatsApp to iPhone. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.